We'll guide you through how to save your work in DaVinci Resolve, ensuring you never lose your progress. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once your project is open, you should see the top menu bar. Go to the File option on the menu bar and click it. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, you can select Save Project to save your current project. If this is your first time saving the project, or if you want to save a new version, choose Save Project As instead. This will prompt you to enter a name for your project and choose a location on your computer where you'd like to store it. It's a good idea to save your project frequently to avoid losing any recent changes. DaVinci Resolve also has an autosave feature, but it's always a good practice to manually save your work as well. You can set up autosave by going to DaVinci Resolve in the menu bar, then selecting Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on User, and then Project Save and Load. Here, you can enable Live Save, which will automatically save changes as you make them, and also adjust the frequency of auto backups to suit your workflow. Remember, regular saves and backups are key to a smooth editing experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.